Hey everybody, welcome to the AI Security Red Teaming mini course from Probably Private, myself, Catherine Jarmal. I'm really excited to launch this course. It's really for people that want a hands-on introduction to concepts of AI security, deep learning security, and to learn a little bit of theory mixed with quite a lot of practice. So who's this course for? This course might be for you if you already work in security and you want to get started on AI security tasks, AI red teaming. It might be for you if you're focused on AI machine learning and you want to learn more about security, right? So you're coming from the other direction. Or it might be for you if you just want to learn more about a topic by looking at security. So one thing that I've learned in my career is if you focus on something like security, you can actually learn a lot about how something works. Because the interesting thing about bringing a security mindset is you're studying the perspective of what can I do to make this thing break and what happens when it breaks. And I think the really cool thing about deep learning and security is we actually learn quite a bit about how deep learning systems learn, how they operate, when we look at it from a security angle. So expect to learn a little bit more about how all of these systems actually work and how the models work themselves. Again, about me, I've been working in AI privacy and machine learning security for about 8 years. I've been working in the field of deep learning for more than 10 years now. And so I'm hoping to bring you into the field with a kind introduction and with a really hands-on applicable introduction to your work. So this might mean that you're taking over security tasks. So you're already in charge of deploying AI products or building them or something like this. And you want to start adding security testing. It might be that you're impacted by something like the EU's AI Act, and you want to make sure that you've checked off the box for security testing and that you have an understanding of what the security problems are in whatever models you're using or whatever you're launching, right? Or it might be, like I said, that you're thinking of a career shift or you just want to learn more and figure out maybe is AI security for you? Is it not? So I'm really excited to hear why you're interested in taking the course, what you hope to learn. So let me know in the comments. In terms of prerequisites, hopefully you're familiar with some Python. Hopefully you're familiar with setting up Jupyter Notebooks on your computer and running them locally. And then we're going to mainly focus on attacking local AI systems. So you're going to be able to use AI and deep learning models on your local machine, and then we're going to use them to attack. And if you then want to transfer those attacks to another system, it should be fairly easy to change your target. So if you're new to Python and Jupyter, I'll put some links below in the description. Also, the GitHub is below in the description. So have a look down in the description. Let me know why you're interested or what you're interested in learning in this course. And why don't you just clone that repo and let's get started in the next video. See you there.